Good morning, everyone. It looks like we've got people popping in here. We'll give it just a little bit for others to join us. We should have a few more, and then we will dig in. All right, let's dig in. The first thing I'd like to do today is make sure everybody is into the Google Classroom. And so what I'm going to do is first just go and sign in to Google Classroom using your Gmail address. And then in the chat, I'm going to put the code that you need, and then we'll see if we can get everybody in there, because that's kind of holding up the show on some of the things that we're going to do. We got to get everybody in that Google Classroom. So um, I will put the code into the chat. Oops. Go to the right thing here. Goodness. Okay. So then once you are successfully enrolled in the Google Classroom, then just go ahead and give me a yes on the responses up there so that I know that you're good to go. And if you're not, then we'll work to get those things figured out. Just scrolling through here. Sam. That's good. Okay, so looks like we've got everybody in there. In the Google Classroom, I've got a few things to get laid out yet, but you'll find the Zoom information if you ever need that. You'll find links to the Mathagon and Khan Academy. Oh, good. And you'll also find other information and different resources that we're going to make use of. I'm kind of waiting to get everybody into the Google Classroom so then I can just transfer everybody over into the Khan Academy and the Mathagon, so then all those things will be connected to each other. First thing, I want to just open it up and ask, how are things going so far? This is day 3, and you've been working your way through some of this stuff, and any thoughts on how things are going so far? Are you excited, or kind of getting things figured out? Are you frustrated? How are you feeling about things? You can go ahead and use your mic, or you can put it into the chat. Either way is perfectly fine. So I'll give you a couple seconds to respond to that. Don't be shy.
It's all right, I guess.
Okay.
I'm just pretty tired. I just want to sleep.
Hey,
Tired. Just tired. I don't like this.
yeah.
It's not the same. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Like, I just want to stay in bed all day, not come to classes or anything.
Oh, well, hopefully this will be an experience that's worth getting up for and participating in. Clearly, I need to get more sleep as well. Um, I apologize for my yawning. All right. Um, let's see. Everything's fine. Sam, it says not good. Uh-oh. Do you want to elaborate on that a little bit? I'll wait for that. Okay. All right, Lang, we're just making sure everybody's into the Google Classroom. And if I remember right, you're good to go there. So awesome. Um, and then we were just touching base, kind of talking about how things are going so far. Um, I do miss the energy of the classroom and getting to see all of you in person versus getting to see the pictures and whatnot. But it's kind of cool to see each of you in your own environments as well, and kind of your personality come through sometimes in some of those things. So that's kind of cool too. But it is what it is right now, and so we're getting a heavy dose of distance learning. Whew. Okay, no problem. Yeah, computer issues, that's probably one of the most frustrating pieces. There typically aren't too many issues of getting from one classroom to another, except you took time in the bathroom or took too long or something. Um, but typically we can get to places on time, but we'll work through that. It'll be okay. So today, what I'd like to do is a couple things. Um, First of all, it was the getting everybody into the Google Classroom, and then I want to do a Quizlet Live and a Kahoot to just kind of get us some math stuff. I saw a variety of. It was fun to read through your getting to know you things, and to to know a little bit more about your world, and I hope to kind of be able to include some of that stuff as we make our way through. So thank you for taking the time to fill that out. If you haven't done that, I will put a link to that in Schoology, in Google Classroom. Schoology is what we use in Marshall, but in Google Classroom, and you can fill that out. I might send you an email reminder as well if you haven't yet, so that'll be handy. And then we'll kind of take it from there. So uh, for the Quizlet Live, um, how many of you have done Quizlet Live before? Has everybody done Quizlet Live before? That's pretty standard. All
Yeah.
right, awesome. So what I'd like to do is uh, we'll do it and we'll stay in this big group and just see how it goes. And you can communicate with other people in your group in any way that you would like. So if you want to um, just kind of yell things, you can do that and just sort of sort out the audio, and we'll see how that goes. But it tends to get a little crazy sometimes when we do it in a meeting like this, but that's okay. That makes for a little bit of fun too. So are you ready to dig in, give that a try? The vocabulary is some what I would call sort of general math terms that are helpful no matter what level of math that you're at. These things tend to come up over and over, and so we'll try to get a good handle on them. Holy cow. So, without further ado, here we go. Let me share my screen. And where are we? Ah, there we are. Okay, so we're going here, Quizlet Live. And we're still going to do teams. You can do individually, but I'd like us to team up for this first one. So there we are. Go ahead and hop in. One thing that other students, as I've done this, have found, if you have a phone and you'd like to play on your phone and then keep the shared screen up, you can certainly do that. Or you can make your shared screen smaller and then have room for your Quizlet screen on the same space. But you decide what works well for you. I'll be waiting. I believe we should have 10 people in there. We're doing a great job getting in there. I think we're setting a record for the fastest. It's awesome. Usually this is one of the longest parts, is waiting for people to get in. I maybe just jinxed it, who knows. All right, awesome. We'll make some teams and here we go. All righty, are we ready? Okay, and certainly you can use your video to help yourself too. If you make motions or have paper or something, you can do that on the screen to help your teammates as well. So without further ado, here we go.
Hey, I have a question.
Yes.
Can we talk to our teammates?
Yes, for sure. Absolutely. You may talk to your teammates.
Where's Oscar? Oscar, I need your help.
Hey. Okay, find the number. Oh, got it. Ratio adjacent to the ratio of the adjacent.
Oscar, do you know this one?
No.
I should show you, but
Remember, the cool thing about
Damn it.
Quizlet Live,
I don't have
you
it.
You have
wrong,
it?
they tell you the right
Variable.
answer, so get it right
Variable.
the next
Lang, do you
time.
have it or what? Wait,
I think
what
it's
is it?
variable.
It's
Samit or Silali, do none of you guys have this?
I don't think I have
Destiny,
it.
do you have it?
It was
The
faster.
number. Lily, do you have it?
I don't think I have it
silly.
unless I'm unless. Wait, what is it? Wait, hold on.
Hey, is it a
Wait,
right
wait,
triangle?
I don't know what.
Should I? Oh wait, I didn't have it.
Perimeter.
What do you
Got it
mean?
right.
Someone.
Perimeter.
Or two or more.
Damn it.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. The whole time. Okay. Well, this
Weird numbers.
here. Who are the snakes?
10.
That us?
I don't.
Yeah, that one's percent, right?
Yeah, Destiny, what is it?
I don't know. I don't.
Should I take a guess?
Yes.
Okay.
Where two or more straight lines meet on the top of the bottom.
Okay.
Is that a vertex? Isn't that a vertex?
Yeah. Vertex.
No.
Vertex. Yeah.
It's cuisine. What a cuisine.
Distance around. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, we're actually doing good.
Wait, we already had this question.
Opposite. Oh, that's hypotenuse, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, come on. Don't get this wrong. The symbol is
It goes in
Is
order.
it the same question?
No.
which is used for verb before.
Whoops, sorry.
Here, what do you guys have? So Lali, what do you
Oh,
have?
wait, I didn't see that. I didn't.
Their units, which I doubt is like.
Sign a cuisine.
The symbol zero.
Don't have it.
Oscar,
take a
what
guess.
question
What
do you
is-
Hey,
have?
let me see what you have. X coordinate and square. We still have.
Coordinate.
That's the x coordinate, right?
You know the answer?
I don't have any more.
Yes.
No.
Me neither.
Just click a
Hey,
random one.
Sam it.
What's the answer?
Oh, Sam it. No, please.
Click a random one.
Vertex.
What are
Vertex.
you doing?
So what's the answer though?
The same one.
What do you have? Sam, what do you have?
Enough.
Tell us what do you have.
I got term,
Perimeter.
X and Y coordinate plate and theta.
What is it?
Come these
To be
variables.
honest, I have no idea what you just said.
Snakes have hit
Say it
a
again.
wall.
I don't know.
Say it again.
Sea
it
dragons are
again.
catching up.
I can't hear you guys.
Sam, say it again.
I don't have it.
What is it?
It's not square units. That's the last one.
Term.
Sam, say it again, please.
Is it the X?
Is it just term?
Term.
Is it term?
Not
Is
X
it
and
the-
Y coordinates. Not term. Try the theta.
Is it the
Try
X,
that
Y
one.
coordinate plane?
Yeah. Let's go. All right, numbers
Literally, do I
and
press it?
Dude, I don't know.
oh, those are terms.
Just click
Sam,
it.
No!
Click on the last one. No.
No! Bro!
It's
Wait, what
term.
was it?
Oh, we
I
won.
told you I should have put it.
Let's go.
Good
Good
work.
job.
You just didn't!
Good work.
They're yelling.
You
All
You
were-
just hear
right.
PETA. That's all you can hear. You could just hear PETA.
I know, man.
Try
I'm
this
trying to win.
again. We'll shuffle it up a few times. All right.
I'm still with
Hey.
Lang.
Oscar, we got this. Oscar.
Okay.
Okay.
Oscar's not the only one
you got
in
this.
here.
Again,
Yes,
remember,
I don't know how to say her name.
remember that if you aren't sure about something, don't be afraid to take a guess, and then it gives you the right answer. So get it right the next time. 'Cause sometimes we
You
can get
ready,
stuck.
Oscar? Lang.
All right.
Okay,
Are we
Liliana.
ready? Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Here we go.
Method multiplying by
two terms.
Four.
Alright, with two terms.
I got that one.
I don't have it.
Oil. Oh, wow. I'm so dumb. Okay.
Math
Bologna.
statement that combines two numbers.
Binomial. How do you- Bologna.
Is that an expression?
Yeah, I think.
With
I
two
think,
terms.
but I don't
expression?
have
Yeah.
it.
I know.
I think so.
This.
Yeah, I put that. All right.
Equation of
Steepness.
Slope, right?
Slope. Yeah. Slope.
Slope.
Which one
Slope.
do you have, Salali?
I got it.
Right.
Distributive property, pi, slope,
Ratio.
and log. What the heck? Do
You
you know what it is?
Is it pi?
Isn't that pi?
A purport? I don't know. A proportion?
Sure, circle circumference.
Because I have that one. Should I click
Is it
it?
pi?
Yeah.
Approximately 3.1.
What do you have? Like, what do you have?
Pi?
Go!
Right.
Gymnastics that combines
I-
numbers of
I only have proportion and formula.
an equal sign.
Maybe it's a formula. I don't know.
Have expression,
like-
ratio, and formula.
Exponent that.
Exponent that-
Dude, what
Must be raised
is
into the order.
is it Yasmin?
Or-
Yeah, I don't know.
What do you
Check in the
What do you
chat.
guys have?
Has distributed property, ratio, and binomial.
It's definitely not those. I have area of circle, which is not. Lang, what do you have?
Think
Logarithm? I
expression?
don't know what that is. Segment? I don't know what that
Yasmin,
is.
what do you
Wait,
have?
wait, Oscar, what'd you have?
Distributive property, ratio, and binomial.
I have foil, segment, area, circle.
Wait, Lang, say what you have again?
Lolly, I don't know.
Logarithmic.
Just put expression. Just put expression.
Segment?
Go.
Which one?
Yeah.
Somebody put a random one.
No,
Yeah.
don't, no, hold, actually,
Catching up.
A segment.
Just doesn't matter. Yeah, we started.
Whatever.
Expression
Hey, that was
symbols.
second guess.
Expression and a
Yeah,
symbol.
we can still catch up.
I got ratio and formula.
Says
Would it be formula? Because it says or rule.
equation that states two ratios are equal.
I don't know. I don't know.
No.
Wait, Oscar, what do you have?
Pi, ratio, and formula.
That's a lot.
What do you have? Lily, what do you have?
I have distributive property, proportion, and segment.
Someone
Try
should just
proportion.
put something
Proportion.
that makes sense.
Proportion. Yeah.
Should I put formula?
Mathematical
Sure, put it.
relationship, rule,
I'm scared.
explosive symbol.
Oh!
Is it an expression?
The exponent
No,
Is
wouldn't
it?
be
No.
variable.
in order to get a certain
Variable.
value.
Yeah, it's variable.
What's that one?
I don't have it.
Variable? No one has it?
I don't have
Would it
variable.
be-
Yeah.
Would it be this one I have? Because there's log in it, and I have log.
Nobody has it?
Oh,
And
try
it's just
it.
not-
I don't know, because I don't
Hey,
know.
what do you guys have? What do you guys have?
Segment and distributive properties.
Lang, what do you have?
Slope,
Lane.
area, circle.
A method for multiplying.
Foil. It's foil.
What?
Expression?
Foil. What's foil?
Try
Oh, you-
expression.
I
Try
don't have it.
expression. Try expression. Whatever that.
Ratios of a certain.
Formula.
That formula.
What? Form?
to
What?
a d-
Yeah, we're definitely not
What
gonna.
is
win.
pi?
Slope.
Slope.
Pi? I don't have pi.
Okay.
Okay, that one's formula.
Expression. Those.
Combine of two numbers.
Wait,
by
Ratio. What's ratio?
division.
Is there even ratio in here?
Is
Two
it?
terms.
Because
Is that
I
about
have.
binomial?
Binomial.
Did I?
Ratio. Ratio. Yes. Yes.
Reindeer.
No! Oh my God!
Nice.
Let's
Nice
go.
job.
Calm down.
Bro.
R.I.P. my ears, man. R.I.P. my ears.
Good thing
All
I don't have headphones.
Let's do one more time, and then we'll do the
Yeah, I have
Kahoot.
headphones on.
All right. Here
That's an
Please,
L.
my
we
ears are gonna
go.
explode.
Let's shuffle it up.
Yo,
All
people
right.
are sleeping in this house.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Oh, that's
Bro, I'm so
Tip of a fraction.
a
Reciprocal.
mathematical sentence
reciprocal,
that
reciprocal.
compares two amounts of using the symbol.
Pythagorean theorem. I got that one.
Pythagorean.
I'll be right back.
I
Coordinate.
got it.
Yeah, y coordinate. Yeah. Numbers without fraction, positive. Oh, those integer, right?
I think so.
Yeah, it's integer.
Nice.
Simplify an expression by combining terms. of the same
Like
variables.
terms.
Like terms, yeah.
A number without a facial of
Answer to multiple.
positive,
Product.
negative, and zero.
Yeah, product. Yeah.
You know
Distance
that one,
across.
Bethany?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
I'm
that
done.
one. Yeah. Wow.
You guys can do this.
Points that represent the
Wait, what do you
end.
have? What do you
Is
have?
that end
Is that
point?
tangent?
Perpendicular.
Liliana, what do you have?
I have
Matter
endpoint,
and-
inequality, and perpendicular.
It's definitely not perpendicular. What's the other two you have?
Endpoints and
You guys
inequality.
I think it's
Perpendicular,
endpoints. Endpoints.
segment, and diameter.
Yeah,
Diameter.
endpoints.
I can't say it.
Mathematical
Reciprocal and y coordinates. What's none of
two
those?
amounts using the symbol.
I have
Hi,
product.
what do you have?
What do you have, Liliana?
Perpendicular and inequality.
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 Okay. Ratios
Hi.
of the opposite and adjacent side of the. That's tangent, right?
EBA.
What do you have?
Perpendicular.
Definitely not that. So I'm gonna try.
Like terms.
Yeah, let's go. Alright. Angle. Vertex located. Oh yeah, it's angle. Okay.
Oh.
Last one.
Okay.
Click it. Click it.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Let's
Awesome
go.
with the win. Nice. Very nice. All right. I'm going to swing over to the Kahoot here.
Okay, let's go.
Food.
My internet's being kind of pokey. I like the jungle lobby music. And we want that.
Whoops.
Ooh, nice. That's kind of cool.
Same here.
It's so slow.
I suppose everybody's at home now streaming video, so the internet in general is just getting slowed down.
This might take a while.
Oh, we went backwards. We're going the wrong direction.
Oh, shoot.
Ah, there we go. Back to 6.
My phone is gonna die. Oh well.
And again, if you'd like to use your phone, sometimes for Kahoot, I kind of prefer using a phone because it's just nice and right at your fingertips. But whatever works. Looks like we're waiting on Lang, Yaz, and Samet. Any luck?
As it keep going down.
All right, maybe. Oh, there's Yaz. All right. 8. Holy cow. Lang looks like he's working hard to get there.
Trying. It's stuck on the loading screen.
Oh, what a bugger. Samet, are you having any luck? Nice. Now I've lost connection. Goodness sakes. Come on, you bugger. All right, so now we got 9. We've got 2.
Yeah, I just saw that. It kicked me out of the website, and then I went in again. And
Yeah,
So,
it did the same for me too.
oh, same here.
oh my goodness, now we're getting all kinds of duplicates. Okay, so let's
Internet is
see.
broken.
So this was your first one,
Yep.
and
Delete mine
And I got
too.
kicked out again. You do mine.
Oscar.
Yeah, that one. Oh, kick me out.
Samet. Holy moly's, what a mess.
You do
right.
mine.
Okay, so let's see. Who do we
Can
know?
you take mine off?
Kick yours out, America. Kick yours
Yeah.
out. All right, once we get America back in, we're gonna go and we'll let the stuff sort of shake itself out.
It says mine that my nickname is stolen.
Uh-oh.
So
You could just say America 2 or something like that if you want.
Say Canada.
Oh.
All right, here we go. Let's do this before we lose anybody or anything else. And if you don't know, that's okay. That's what we're here for. We'll get some of this stuff figured out. Just give me your best shot. All right. So when solving absolute value equations, we have to write and solve 2 equations. Very good. Check out our leaderboard. Nice. And next up. nearest hundredth. Hundredth is, of course, 2 decimal places. So at the 4, and then we look at the 3, that's smaller than 5, so we throw away that stuff. The blue one would be the nearest thousandth, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. All right. Okay, so it's simplified because we can't divide by the same thing. Improper is probably the most common mistake on that one. Remember, an improper fraction, we have the larger top number than the bottom number. That's an improper fraction. Let's check out our leaderboard. Holy mollies. All right, this is a tricky one. Remember that multiplication and division go together and addition and subtraction go together because we could write any subtraction as just adding a negative. So we have to keep those pieces together and we just go left to right. Any questions there? All righty. Ooh, had some streaks get broken.
It kicked me out. I don't know why.
Ah,
Too.
the
Yeah, it
game.
kicked me out.
What's the
Same, it
pin?
kicked me out.
Okay, the pin's on the bottom. Can you see the pin down there?
Yeah.
1109368.
I can't.
Mine's taking forever to load.
You better be kicking people out. Ooh. Oops, you've disconnected. We're trying to reconnect you.
What's the pin?
It don't work.
Curse you, technology.
It don't let me in.
Yeah, yeah.
How did everyone get kicked out there?
Yeah.
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 Oh,
It's frozen.
nice. Okay. You know what? We'll stop fighting it for today. Let's just call this a game, and we will attempt to do this again at another time. But we still get a podium. Nice job. All right, not too shabby based on what we actually were able to do. So I'm gonna stop sharing my screen now, and okay. Just a few quick things, and then we'll call it a day here. Be on the lookout in your email for the information to get into Mathagon and Khan Academy. And I'm not going to require anything specific for this week, but I would like you to spend a little bit of time and just look around in there and see what things look kind of interesting to you. And I really would like you to look at stuff that you're interested in, and see what's out there and how you can get better at those things. We tend to care more about stuff that we're interested in, and so I'd like you to do that. It might be a good idea to review your last math class, or it might be a good idea to go forward and look at what your next math class might be. And we'll kind of take it from there. We'll, as we work through all these technical difficulties, thank you for your patience. We'll get these things figured out, and within a week or two, I bet we'll be pros at all of this, and figuring out what the best way is and getting to all the right places. So awesome job sticking with this. And it's great to see all of you and your faces, those of you that were able to share video today. I know sometimes if your internet connection isn't the best, it can be challenging to share your video. So, but it is great to see video when you can. Does anybody have any questions about anything before we call it a day here? So your only assignment before I see you next Monday is to take a look at Mathagon and Khan Academy and see what things look interesting, and also just think about what is it about math that you're interested in. What are some big questions that you might have about math, like where is this particular thing used? That would be a legitimate question. Or I'd like to learn more about this or that, or I'd like to learn more about probability, or something like that. So just think about those things, explore a little bit, and next week we'll have everybody where they need to be, hopefully, and we'll keep on keeping on. Sound like a plan? All right, awesome. It's great to see you again today, and I look forward to seeing you next week, and we'll keep on keeping on. All right, have a great day. We'll see you next week on Monday.
Bye.